Okay guys, full disclosure, this is not me riding this motorcycle. This is my good friend Eusebio Rodriguez. He's been riding forever. He's been trying to get me to ride motorcycles with him, but I'm really kind of a rookie when it comes to bikes. But anyway, he's going to be riding a 1999 Honda Blackbird. It's the bike on the left, I believe, is the one he's on in the video. He's got two of them. He's also got a 97, as you can see there. And then this is Eusebio himself with the GoPro 7 mounted to the helmet. Videos are really great, so I wanted to share these. And he's going to be on the Altamont Pass in near Tracy, California. And this is the bike he's going to be riding. Again, it's a 99 Honda Blackbird. Anyway, enjoy the video and let's roll it.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and ride on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Fine, another reason to breathe this air. And now we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, I'm doing when I make you. I'm not the only one who's alone. Find me soon and take me home. I knew it when I saw you. I'm not the only one hanging on. Tie me to someone who will love me. Oh, never in my life did I want to see you more than this. And every time you're lost, I wonder if you know you're missed. I'm breathing when I can, and I only hope you're watching this. I hope you know that I exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, I'm doing when I make you. I'm not the only one who's alone. Find me soon and take me home. I knew it when I saw you. I'm not the only one hanging on. Tie me to someone who will love me.
I got it. At first it was hard. Nobody believed me. Ever since then, I'm making it clear. This my year. This my year. I hustle in the dark with a bright my head. Get the bright idea.